Hello folks, I would like to show you a great wall clock. It's by National Society, Audubon. So the quart watches work off of one battery, and the sounds charged up by two batteries. So it also has 12 birds all around the dial. This is one of the rarest one and it's excellent condition. It's also provide this sensor. It's a sound sensor, night darkness sensor. If you are sleeping, it won't be too noisy. So if it's get a morning, the bird starts singing. We'll start show you how it operates on each bird, and then I will going to demonstrate how the sensors work. I think some of the sounds skip it, I don't know why. Maybe screw up a little bit showing it, but anyway, here's how it works. So it's work. It's perfect condition. Excellent watches. And I'll show you the back too. It's got batteries, adjustable tuner, instruction. Alright. Thank you for watching.